My babe, you know me, and you knew me back then, and you know how it goes when I see you again. You know I'm making my way to your hands, and you know I need you to be there for me. You a little post-so baby, you a little 48 baby, got a little candy in her pocket, she gon' take off like a... You already know. Dirtied up a cup, I'm on the north side. Text you, but I know you probably courtside. Know I gotta come and check the whole man, baby. Hold tight. I just touched the city with the G-Block train. And we got adopted by some fit for strangers. You know what it means when I twist these fingers. Me and you being on a first name basis. Why you think I hate it when you talk that Drake shit? Same reason that you never left me hanging. Same reason that I tried to make you famous. Same reason that I tried to show you. I was outside of the club, outside the things that a man and I need does, outside of the things that would cause you to judge, outside of the club, show you just who I was, outside of the club, outside the things that a man I need does, outside of the things that would cause you to judge, outside of the club. Yay, we're here getting some supplies.
We're at Home Depot right now. We're gonna pick up a couple of things that we need so that way we can put some primer on the car. So we picked up some of these spray guns, some lacquer thinner, and then a little bit of this taping, or what is this called?
Like a drop cloth or like a masking plastic.
So that way we can tape off all the windows. And is that it?
We don't even know. We're probably gonna remember what we need when we get home.
Okay, let's see if they have it. Here. Oh, thank you.
I think we're gonna go for the freight right now. So we'll go ahead and stick We're back here.
We also need a primer gun, so we're at Harbor Freight right now. We're trying to find one. Do you see one that looks good?
It needs to have a big tip. Not like me. Just kidding. No, so it needs to have like a 1.8 because 1.4 and 1.2 is too small. I think this is the only one that has a decent. Yeah, see 1.8. I think I'm gonna get this one, to be honest.
That one?
Yeah.
Is that 2 in there?
Yeah, it's this set, I think. Well, I need it for the primer. So we got our supplies. We're getting a blowgun, some cups, and this is the only one that I could find that has like a nozzle for primer. So we're gonna get this as well. It comes with a little touch-up gun, so it's probably good for the jams and stuff, but we're probably not gonna use it for the jams because the spray gun that we bought is a little bit better, or the spray cans that we got is a little bit better. So I think we're gonna go ahead and check out and then head back to the house and continue on with the prep for primer.
So we just got back from the store. I'm gonna start taking all the door pieces apart and start sanding everything down. So I already took off the door card. I'm gonna take these ones off though, and then I can start taping everything off. I didn't know that this car used to be champagne, but champagne is my favorite color on 240s. I would have went champagne on my Zenki if we found a color that would have matched good with the kit. White looks really good because that's kind of the original two-tone with the champagne and the white, but it didn't look good on the kit, or at least if the accents were white with champagne. So that's why I went pink, and I'm not gonna lie, I really love the pink now, but if I were to do another 240, I would definitely go champagne.
And action!
We just finished taping off the door. So this is the box of paint and primer sealer and everything in here. I'm gonna just open it up and then shoot.
Ah!
Oh wait. Unless it's this.
Is that it?
Yeah.
That's the whole primer?
This is all the primer we have?
I guess you ordered it.
Okay, well I ordered this sealer primer, but I didn't know that it was only this much. I thought I ordered a gallon, but it's okay. Oh my gosh. Look at them, they're mini. This is the regular size. And this is the mini ones. So Blaine is inside the trunk right now because he was taping some stuff off. Okay, let's go mix the paint.
No.
Come on, get out.
I'm gonna wait till you finish painting it.
Come on, let's go see what color the primer is.
Move this chair. Take the chair out of the car.
Unbolt it.
I did it. Ha! Joke's on you, sucker. Made it out the trunk. Whoa.
What?
They call her Wonder Woman. 4 parts primer, 1 part.
Guess what color the primer is?
It's white.
You knew?
You already told me. That's the most hammer assist pour in the world.
I don't know how to do it better than this right now.
I cannot wait to see the dismount. So you put 4 parts and then 1 part that. So if this goes up to 6, we put 1 up to 5 and then up to 6.
No, because then it's 4 to 1. And then it's 5 to 1.
No, it's always 4 to 1 to 1. Chill out. What are you talking about? What school did you go to? Did you even go to school?
That part is not gonna go in the video. I'm editing this video.
No, it's gonna go in there. What the frick?
This is the blow gun that we got from Harbor Freight.
It's the best for the blowjob.
Ready? Gonna try it?
Damn.
Oh, it's pretty strong.
It's like an air gun.
No, it's like a blow gun.
Oh.
It's probably hard to tell on camera, but it's really strong.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? This one's probably gonna be a big one.
Jeez.
You saw that? So change of plans. For some reason the sprayer doesn't spray good. It probably is because of the thickness of the primer. It doesn't spray it good and it looks really liquidy. So we're gonna head to Ace and we're gonna try to see if we can pick up just regular can of primer in white. So we're gonna see if they have any in stock. Look at how expensive this primer is. It's 13 bucks. Okay. $5.99? We'll probably try this one.
High volume.
Which one to order? The biggest. Alright, so now that the primer is laid, or now the sealer is laid, we are going to see what color we got in here. You guys ready? Who can guess what color this is? Go in the comment section below and guess what the color of the car is going to be. 3, 2, 1. What the heck? That's the wrong color! Oh no! No way! That's the wrong... Wait, no, that's the wrong color. No, that's the wrong color. No, it's not, that's not the color. That's not the color, guys. Oh, man. Wait, let's see, let's mix it. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. Oh, heck no. There's no way. Oh my gosh. That's the wrong color, guys. Christine went to the store real quick She had bought me this for Christmas like a few months ago. We thought it was a different color and we didn't open it until today, which we should have checked. I wonder if they're gonna take this paint back. It's been a few months now. It's been about 3-4 months now. That's not the color. That's not the color that the car is supposed to be. Oh my gosh. This is gonna be funny. I gotta show Christine when she gets back. You guys are gonna see it.
This is Blaine's new paint color.
Ready? Tell him guess.
Ready?
Tell him guess. Say 1, 2, 3.
Guess what color it is.
Okay, we'll pause it. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
What the hell? No way, they put the freaking wrong color in here. Oh my gosh, do you even want this color? Oh, it's the wrong color. What the hell? It's the freaking wrong color. I mean,
That was my reaction.
I don't like it, to be honest.
I did the same thing. I already opened it. I already saw that it was the wrong color. Oh my gosh, guys. This is like orange. This is like construction orange. This is Home Depot orange. Oh, bro.
It matches the Home Depot logo. This is not, we're not gonna paint your car this color.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, tell me not. That was hilarious. Tell me not. That was so funny.
It was funny because I was expecting you to say like, no, mix it. But then I forgot we shook it. What the hell is this?
This is Home Depot orange. Is this car gonna be Home Depot orange, guys?
No. No, it's not.
Alright guys, we're gonna figure this out. I don't know if we're gonna use this paint or not, but we just did all of that. We just did all that running around that you guys just seen, only to open up the color. And it's not even the color that we was thinking it was, it's not even the color it's supposed to be.
I can't believe the color.
Oh gosh. What do you guys think? That's a gnarly looking color. Look at how this is. If I was like, oh, they're like, what color you want? I was like, give me orange. If orange was the color orange, this is the color orange would be. Like, I want the orangest orange you can make it. That's what the color I would want. But I didn't want orange. What the heck?
It's funny because you were originally thinking orange for your car.
Yeah, but they gave me orange, like, cause it was a thought, you know?
Yeah.
But now when it's like, nah, you're gonna get orange, it's like, nah, I don't want orange. No. I wanted my original color, please.
Just in case you was joking.
I don't want that orange, please. Can I have the one that I ordered?
No, not this one.
That's why I was like, no. I didn't order this. No, thank you. This wasn't what I asked for.
How do you rate your day so far?
It's a 10.
It's the best.
I'm not even mad about it. I'm just like, what the frick?
Oh, wait. Oh, no, Matthew doesn't know.
He doesn't even know, so it's not even gonna make a difference.
Matthew, guess what?
What do you think?
What do you think?
Color?
What do you think? This is Blaine's new color. Is it sick?
It is kind of sick.
Why are you freaking lying? Dude, they gave the wrong color.
Really?
You know what color I wanted it to be? Yeah, this is not that. He's fake as hell. He's fake as hell.
It would have been cool.
Oh man, that's freaking. You said the wrong color.
What? Maybe just do the whole car first.
Oh man.
Paint it first and decide after.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh, you wearing a shirt?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a sick shirt. You cropped it?
Yeah.
Told you he's gay. He likes boys. Bye.
Bye.
What the heck? The only junk part is that we spent all day running around.
Yeah.
As you guys came with us, you seen we ran everywhere. Home Depot. We even had to go last minute to go to Ace to go grab some primer. We went Harbor Freight. You know, we had everything ready. It didn't even. We had some issues, a little bit of issues, but we made it work. At the end, I don't know if you guys seen, but we ended up switching over to the touch-up gun.
Which was really good.
Yeah, this is actually pretty good. I remember I said I wasn't gonna probably not use this.
Yeah.
But this is ended up being the thing that we used, and I like it. Look, our heat gun is orange. This is more orange than the heat gun is. We're gonna compare all the orange in the freaking garage. Nothing is gonna be more orange. Look at this.
Try the compressor.
Oh my gosh. Look at it. Our
Oxygen orange?
This oxygen orange. This is more oxygen orange than that.
Ooh.
This is the closest. But this is still more orange than a compressor. That's how orange this orange is. Oh my gosh.
This is the orange of all oranges.
That's like after you beat all the oranges, that's the final boss right there. The final orange right there. That orange ate all the other oranges. Now, in the meantime, I need to go back in the house and look up orange 240s. If you guys follow us on Instagram, me or Christine, go ahead and send us some orange 240s. Hatches, coupes, mainly S13s because I want to see like what it'll look like with that body style. I have a couple people that I know that are orange, but if you guys see any more that you think are nice, send them our way because I want to see. Like, orange is not a color that you see 240s in, which could be good.
Yeah.
If we can make it nice. But at the same time, I didn't want to be orange. Yeah, guys, so we're going to call it a day. Let us know what you guys think in the comment section below. Should we just use the orange? Help us make that decision. Go ahead and drop them in the comment section below. And we'll catch you guys in the next one, alright? Peace out and stay good. Okay, go. We want to catch your reaction. Ready?
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I like it.
Do you really like it?
Do you really like it?
Are you lying to me?
Mommy likes this color.